Now let's see how to format the numbers. I have n here and 2 here. Now if you notice, by default, this got rounded. The n, even though I had the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the decimal point, this got rounded up after a certain number of decimals. So is the case with n2. On rounding it to 3 decimals, we have the rounding being applied right after the 3 decimals. Likewise, if you do a trunk function, only that integer part is getting retained. So this is the normal behavior. Now, what I want to do is, I want to print only 4 numbers, irrespective of how many decimal points are present in that number. Now, n looks like this, n2 looks like this. By setting options digits equal to 4, it will effectively show only 4 digits on the screen, irrespective of how many ever digits you actually input into that number. Now, by setting it to 6, that is options digits equal to 6, you have 6 digits totally getting printed on the screen, irrespective of where the decimal point lies. Now, how to control scientific notation? Scientific notation meaning if there are a large number of digits in your number, after a certain point, it gets truncated to e power notation. Let me show how that looks. Now, 1, 2 followed by 5 zeros gets printed fully. But if there are more number of zeros, let's see what happens. It is adding a scientific notation, e power notation. You read it as 1.2 into 10 power 15. If you don't want this sort of a behavior, and this sort of a behavior is something I wouldn't want to be automatically done. If you want to turn this off, you need to set options skypen equal to 999, or instead of 999 you can have a very large number. Turn this on and now print the whole number. It will get printed out on the console fully. So these are the two options that you might ever need when working with controlling the output of the printed numbers on your screen, digits and SkyPen.